I have the Diaper Genie and the Ubbi Diaper Pail, so let's go through some pros and cons. We got the Diaper Genie first and it has lasted us 3 kids, and that's about 6 years. After my third child, the top broke off, but it was still usable, so we kept it going. Now we have a 4th child and thought we should get another one and try a different brand, and we went with the Ubbi Diaper Pail. Now compared to the Diaper Genie, the Ubbi is smaller in height, but it is wider by just a small amount. Unlike the Diaper Genie, the Ubbi has a lock at the top that keeps kids from opening the door panel. When you open it, you drop the diaper in and slide the panel shut. It's pretty simple. This pail has a bag full of diapers right now, so I thought that would be the best time to show you how this works. To take out the garbage bag, this is how you do it. And I want you to notice how much you can put inside of it. You don't need to purchase special bags like the Diaper Genie. You can use garbage bags that you already have at home, which I think is a huge pro and makes for cost saving. However, I do find it to take some effort taking the garbage bag out of the pail. I seem to have mastered holding the pail down with both my feet and I tug the garbage bag out. That's something you don't have to deal with in the Diaper Genie. It's much smoother to take out the dirty diapers in the Diaper Genie, but you're also fitting a lot less diapers in the bag. The Ubbi Diaper Pail is made out of mostly steel, but also plastic, so it feels more luxurious. And the Diaper Genie is made out of plastic, and sometimes its parts misalign, but they also easily align back together. I like how the Diaper Genie is almost hands-free because you use a foot pedal to open it up and drop the diaper, whereas the Ubbi Pail requires you to open the lid with your hand and then drop the diaper. Also, while the Diaper Genie looks quite a bit taller in terms of diaper space, they're about the same in height because the top part of the Genie is more the chute where the diaper falls. You cut the bag of the Diaper Genie at just about the same height as the Ubbi Diaper Pail. When it comes to odor locking, they're both the same. When the top opens up, you do get a whiff of the dirty diapers, but as long as you keep the top closed, you don't have to worry about the smell. Now, even though my top is broken on the Diaper Genie, there is still a closure toward the top that keeps the smell locked in. So there is no smell until I press the pedal and that part opens up. Both of these diaper pails work really well, and depending on your preferences, you might prefer one over the other. With 4 kids and 2 that are still in diapers, we keep these in 2 different bathrooms and they've both been helpful.